All right, line up the tensioner just like that. The marks on the chain and the keyhole right there is still good. Okay. So we're gonna install this together at the all right guys, gonna show you what I'm doing here. So this is all brand new chains, brand new sprockets. I have to reuse the old VVT sprocket right here. I have to reuse the old one. There's nothing wrong with the old one. So here we go. There's our guide right here. This is the left side. This is the one that close to the rad. This is the one that close to the firewall. Okay, make sure the chain and that keyhole right there, the mark, it's all together with the chain color. Same with this one. This is the left side right there, keyhole, and then the mark right there. This is the right side, right there, keyhole, and then the colored chain, same thing, keyhole, the diamond mark, and then the colored chain. So let's do the left side first, and then brand new tensioner on the left side. There's marks on this right there on the left. So this is what I was talking about earlier in a previous video. You have to push this down when you take out the old one. Push it down. Here's the old one. You have to it's been stretched all the way up. Push that thing down, compress, and then you put the pin right there. This is the front. Put the pin all the way to the back, and then it will show the pin right there, and then it will compress, ready to install. Then when you install it, pull out the pin. It will lock everything in place. This will be tight. So let's quickly put it in here now, install it. I'll show you how that's done. All right, let's put the tensioner in here, line it up so it's easy for us to install it later on. Keep an eye on that pin and the keyhole, line it up. The pin right here and the pin right there, they have to go together. And keep an eye on this guide right here, the tensioner, and then when you line up, push it in. There we go. And then we'll put a brand new bolt. Reuse the washer, brand new bolt. So the exhaust side with the washer, and then brand new bolt on the left side right here with no washer. There's a part number if you guys want to check it out. That's a part number right there. It's gonna hand tight this, and then we'll torque it to spec. So wiggle this and put the bolt in, hand tight. Alright, so I'll show you in the back end right here. This is what it looked like. There's a colored chain right there, and then the colored chain right there. So that's how you time this secondary chain. Okay, everything is good. I'm gonna torque this to spec, and then the big bolt, we're gonna torque it to spec right there. Alright guys, so we got everything all hand tight, especially on the back as well, hand tight, all the bolts. So we're gonna torque this one to spec. There's 2 bolts. This is the 2 bolts for the tensioner, hydraulic tensioner, and that's 10 Newton meter or 89 foot-pounds. So it's all set. Let's go. Perfect. 10 Newton meter. Now the big bolts, 30 foot-pounds. Man, this is like 4 stage. 30 foot-pounds, and then loosen it, full turn, and then the third stage, 89 inch-pounds. And then the last stage is 90 degree. So first stage, 30 foot-pounds, so that's 30. Okay, good.
No.
Good.
Okay.
All right, stage 2, loosen it up. Take it out. Good. Stage 3 is 89 inch-pound.
Done?
Yeah, done. There you go.
Done.
Yeah.
No more?
Not much. Yeah, not much. Stage 4 is 90 degree.
This one?
Here's our angle indicator right here. Okay, we're gonna lock this thing down right here. Set this up. All right, here we go. It's on 0 right now. We're gonna go 90. Okay, all the way to 90. That was 70. We go 10 more degree for 90. Oh, stop right here. It will stop right there. And there we go. 90 right there. That's it. Now let's do the other bolt. All right, that's 70. All right, there we go. There you go, guys. 90 right there. I don't know if you can see that. 90 degree. Whew.
It's harder.
This side is torque to spec, 4-stage right there. First stage is 30 foot-pounds and then loosen up. Second stage. Third stage, 89 inch-pounds. And then the fourth stage is 90 degree angle. So this is done. Do the same thing on the other side.
Okay.
And then we'll put the chain back on. All right, so for more video, I'm gonna drop another video on this. Continue. I put the primary chain, everything, the guide is the intentioner. So stay tuned on that one. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys again on the next one.